Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the PhilStudio. Today is a great day because I'm going to tell you a short story.
It all started a few years back when I began to work on my YouTube channel. I grasped my conviction, took half a year off, and decided to accept the challenge. I was becoming a teacher in the world of electronics and audio, dedicating most of my time creating content and posting videos online. Neither a success nor a failure, the project became a passion and I couldn't stop. I started slowly with easy-to-do projects and a true homemade DIY mindset. From one thing to another, I ended up creating bigger projects and tackling more professional design. As today, I am announcing officially that I will be releasing a product line in the world of electronics. From whole assembled products to DIY kits, there will be oscillators, sequencer, modulator, audio amplifier, power distribution board, audio filters, and much more. Don't miss out. Join the PhilStudio today by sharing the work I've accomplished in the past few years. And remember to stay tuned because everything should take form by next year in 2022.